Hi, I'm Kevin from Hutson Engineering Services, and this is a new project that's just arrived with us. As you can see, it's a Aston Martin V8 engine, AMV8 engine. It's a 540, which is the earlier of the configurations. The car that this engine belongs to is undergoing a very detailed ground-up restoration over in Switzerland, and we have been fortunate enough to be part of this really interesting project in terms of the engine work that's required. So the series of videos will be following on from this introductory video, which will be the strip and the assessment. Part of the strip and the assessment video, we're going to really look inside the cylinder block when the cylinder liners have removed, and we'll show the corrosion and the debris that is now starting to be prevalent within these engines. Hopefully it's not detrimental with this engine, but we won't know until we extract the cylinder liners, and I'd really like to show you that process and what we find inside. So also what we are doing is to combat future corrosion issues. We're applying a series of chemicals and processes to the castings now, which dramatically reduce future corrosion. So we'll talk you through that as well. Then we'll look at any repairs that are required to the cylinder block or the cylinder heads. Hopefully there won't be many, but we will go through the overhaul procedures when we're changing the valve seats on the cylinder head and changing valve sizes, bit of port work, and we're also looking at carrying out a capacity increase. So we're not set in stone exactly what we're doing in terms of a capacity increase, but currently we're probably moving towards the 5.7 litre increase. Now that is essentially a larger piston, larger bore, increase in the capacity that way. So these a good balance of torque and horsepower. Everything remains very light and the engine revs freely. So we'll talk about that more in our later videos. We'll also talk about any issues that can be present when we start stripping these engines down, and we'll show you that as well. And we'll talk through some of the processes that we carry out here at Hutson Engineering, where we bring everything back to a original factory condition. We carry out all the machining in-house as well. So we hope that you'll come back and view the videos as this project moves along. Thank you for watching. Should you have a Aston Martin or Lagonda engine project that you think you may like to discuss with us, our contact details are on our website, which is astonenginebuilders.com, and we'll look forward to speaking to you. Thank you.